Hello students, this is our fourth session of chapter 2 input output memory devices. In the previous session we have discussed about the printers and the types of printers. In this session we are going to discuss about introduction to memory. Memory is the most essential part of the computer. Memory is a storage part of the computer. The memory is measured in terms of bits and bytes. It is measured in terms of bits and bytes. Bits and bytes. Memory is classified into primary memory as well as secondary memory. It is classified into primary memory and secondary memory. So primary memory units are the storage areas of the computer. The term memory refers to the main memory of the computer and the word storage refers to the memory available on CDs, floppy disks and on disks. So this primary memory is usually, the main memory is usually the physical memory which refers to the chip capable of holding data and instructions, which is capable of holding data and instructions. Primary memory are further classified into ROM and RAM. So what is ROM? ROM stands for read-only memory. Read-only memory. In this session we are going to study about ROM. So what is ROM? So in ROM the information is burnt into the ROM chip at the manufacturing time itself. So once the program is written into the ROM chipset, it cannot be erased, but you can read it. It stores the crucial information of the computer, like the program which is essential to boot the computer. When we switch off the computer, the contents of the ROM does not get erased. Hence it is called as non-volatile memory. Hence it is called as non-volatile memory. Why it is called as non-volatile memory means even though when the power goes off, the contents of the ROM does not get erased. Hence it is called as non-volatile memory. And they are used in calculators, peripheral devices and in embedded systems. So ROM is further classified into three types, that is PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. So what is PROM? PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. Programmable Read-Only Memory. So data can be written only once. So once written the program, you cannot erase it in PROM. So it is programmed by the user. And it is a non-volatile memory. Once the program has been written into the PROM, we cannot erase the contents of the PROM. Next is EEPROM. What is EEPROM? EEPROM stands for Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. As the name suggests, here we can erase the contents of the EEPROM. We can erase the contents of the EEPROM by exposing it to an ultraviolet lights. So, if I want to reprogram it, what I have to do? I have to erase all the previous data of EEPROM. Next is EEPROM. What is EEPROM? EEPROM stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So this is equivalent to EEPROM, but it does not require ultraviolet light to erase its contents. To erase the contents of EEPROM, what we have to do? We have to expose it to an electrical charge. To erase the contents of EEPROM, we have to expose it to an electrical charge. So it is not as fast as ROM or other types of ROM, and it is a non-volatile memory. It is a non-volatile memory. So here memory, what is memory? Memory is nothing but the storage part of the computer. Storage part of the computer. The word memory refers to the main memory of the computer, and the word storage refers to the memory available on disk, CDs as well as floppies. So memory is divided into primary memory and secondary memory. So primary memory is further divided into ROM and RAM. ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM stands for random access memory. Random access memory. So ROM stands for read-only memory. So here the data is burnt into the ROM chip at the manufacturing time itself. So once it is programmed, we cannot erase the contents of the ROM. So even though when the power goes off, the contents of the ROM does not get erased. Hence it is called as non-volatile memory. They are widely used in calculators, peripheral devices as well as embedded systems. So ROM is further classified into three types: PROM, EEPROM and EEPROM. So PROM stands for programmable read-only memory. EEPROM stands for erasable programmable read-only memory, and EEPROM stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. In PROM, it is programmed by the user. It is a non-volatile memory. Once it is programmed, we cannot erase the contents of the PROM, but we can read it. When it comes to EEPROM, we can erase the contents of the EEPROM by exposing it to an ultraviolet rays, ultraviolet lights. Next is EEPROM. What is EEPROM? Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So here, instead of exposing it to an ultraviolet lights, we can expose it to an electrical charge to erase the contents of the EEPROM. It is not as fast as ROM or other types of ROM. It is a non-volatile memory. So this is about ROM. In the next session, so let's study about RAM, that is random access memory and its types. Thank you.